Cosy toys, blankets, things for prams and car seats, stuff like that. And some little gifts like cuddle comforters. We make all them and tea the comforters. Yeah, and like how many people come down and travel from quite far to us, because obviously we do things that's quite unique and make things ourselves. But then they ask then, oh, is there any way we can stop and have some food or coffee? So yeah, so they make a full day out of it then, and they can actually go and see the other shops and what we have to offer in Torquay.
As a key provider, obviously we've been open since the beginning of the lockdown all the way through. We have a number of customers who've arthritis, hip issues, and haven't got the power in the legs that they used to have, would still like to get out. And the e-bikes, their words are, transforms their lives with it. It just makes life so much easier. And where we live in the valleys, if they're able to get up onto the mountains, wow, can't fault it. The views are fabulous.
Not everybody's got the facilities to go to the big supermarkets, whereas to have everything on your high street is a lifeline for so many people. Just to keep local, you get more selection, you get a better service, and it's kind of like use us or lose us if we don't support the shops. We all kind of really support each other. We've got a really good chamber of trade and a group with all the shopkeepers talking as well and give each other advice and ask questions and different things.
It's diverse. We've got everything going on here from here be a shop, the tattooist next door, clothes shop, but you got it all. There's not much that's not on this high street. The idea was born out of lockdown. We're just having a drink over the garden wall. Come up with the idea of opening the shop, bring in all these fantastic beers, local and within hand's reach, and we went with it.
Some of the beers got stories behind them, how they were made, the breweries themselves, because they're micro, nano breweries, some of these. So they tell us the stories about why they brewed. When we pass our knowledge on to people, we wouldn't get that type of stuff if we went to a big supermarket.